What's up, YouTube? This is power from phone line again. I have it actually connected, this wire on the other end, to the phone plug. Not actually the plug. I have it wired directly to the green and the red. So right here, this white would be green, and this is red, my hot. So I'm using a Harbor Freight flashlight. It's got a lot of LEDs. We got 3 in the front. And so let's turn it on. Nice and bright, nice and bright. Throws good lighting right there. And here we have the other lighting, which is really bright. Works awesome, works awesome. And I'm going to show you how I connected everything. Now in the front, you would have these 3 LEDs would be in the front. You would have basically this plastic piece would be there. And basically I just dead center tapped the hole. I don't know if you can see that right there. Tapped the hole in there. And ran my yellow and black wire in. Ignore those 2 red wires, those were on the board. I'm going to show you how I hooked it up. But first I want to show you the board. And we have a transistor right there. Not a transistor, a resistor. Right by that screw right there. I had to bend this back a little bit. Over here we have another resistor, a bigger one, which is pretty cool. So I just turn it over. I notice you have this sticker on this side. This side here you have a spring. This side is flat. And this side is the negative, this side is the positive. Alright? And down here you got the positive and your ground. So I just stuck my wire in this spring, looks just like that, and I used soldered it in place. Took my hot wire, I kind of bent it in like this so it stayed in place, and I used some solder on there to keep it in place. So that's how you connect it. And just remember, if you're going to build this, guys, the 3 LEDs would be right in this hole. I tapped the hole dead center like I said. Alright, so it would be facing this way with the switch going forward. And then you just flip it. Like that. Flip it once to the left. Just like that. Switch facing forward, turn it upside down. You have your hot and your ground. That's how I connected it. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. It really throws a lot of light. In fact, this is all I use right now. I have one light on over there, which is in the hallway. That's my dog's toys over there. So, but it is pitch black. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn this light off. I'm going to show you how it looks lit up. Come on, puppy. You're in my way, buddy. You're in my way, buddy. Alright, guys. Let me find the switch. You can see how much brighter that is. Really bright. Oh, really bright. Okay, that's the 3 LEDs in the front. And I'll hit the switch again, turns it off, again, turns it on. Look at all that light, guys. That's amazing. Awesome. This is really cool. I'm going to try to hook up another one of these. I don't want to push myself, you know what I mean? So they think how's this guy using all this energy on a one phone, you know? But that's pretty cool. And it only uses 4.5 volts to run this whole system. And by having the resistors, you're resistant extra current from coming in, so you're only using what you need. I'm sure a phone uses a lot more, especially if the touchpad is lit up. You know, if that's lit up, you'd be using even more, you know, like the digital phones or whatever, the wireless phones. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And this is cool, guys. You gotta try it. Alright, guys, one more thing, just so you know. I don't have phone service. I never had phone service here when I moved in. This line should be dead line. But I still have power coming in this line. Because, you know, we use cell phones, you know, Magic Jack, so we really don't use the phone line. But this is really cool. Throws pretty good light. I mean, I use this light, that's it, in my living room. I can see fine. When the TV's on, I have an LED screen, even throws more light into the living room. And I have a light on down the end in the hallway down there, because it gets creepy dark, you know. So I throw that light on in that area. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, thumbs up. This is easy assembly. It's easy to hook up. And what's good about it is you have an on-off switch. So if you when you're done, you go to bed at night or whatever, you can shut it off. Yeah, that's cool. You got an on-off switch. No assembly. Just, well, yeah, the wires and tapping the hole there so you get the wires in. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.